Hello everyone, Ian here again on a chilly February day, and today I'm going to be doing a different flight, one that I wouldn't normally be doing, and that is a range test of the new DJI Mavic Air. The reason I want to do a range test is because flying in Britain, part of Europe, we are subject to a European CE restriction on the transmission power of the remote control. And according to the specs of on DJI, I should only get 2,000 meters as opposed to the 4,000 meters that they claim in the specs for non-CE areas. Kelly over at Ready Set Drone did a range test earlier on this week. He's based out in Texas, obviously not part of the European restriction. He managed to get 2,000 meters before he lost signal. Here I am today on a breezy day. It's not ideal. It's only about 6 degrees centigrade, so what's that, about 42 degrees for our Fahrenheit friends. According to the specs, the range should be far less because the transmission power is less. In saying that, the specs said that Kelly should have got 4,000 meters and he only got 2,000 meters. So let's put this through its paces and see how we get on. Once bitten, twice shy. I've got my little tracker on the bottom. I will be flying straight out. I'll be keeping at a low altitude. Thankfully, we're about 20 miles from the nearest airport. There is absolutely nothing, no towns, no villages as such for at least 5 miles. So I can keep a low altitude about 40 meters high and hopefully go out in a straight line into the wind and then turn around and fly back with the wind when I've seen how far we've got. Okay, aim up into the wind, see how we get on. This thing moves fast. Back again. And now we're fine again, so we're on to 900 meters. We've hit 1,000 meters, way further than I'd normally fly, so to me the range is not going to be an issue. Okay, it's refound itself. So 1,300 meters. Will I get to fifth? I'm at 1,500 meters now. I'm getting a lot of weak signal messages. Let it find itself, no signal. Aircraft disconnected. Okay. That's refound itself. That's 1,600 meters. Okay, cancelling that, turning around again as we were. carry on. 1600 metres, not happy at 1600 metres, 1700 metres looks like the absolute limit. Signal loss 698, 1703. Signal again, now aircraft disconnected, 1794. We seem to be quite happy, so let's cancel it one more time. Turn around, turns quickly. Getting close to 54% battery, so I'm not going to want to go much further. 1750. Just cannot hit 1800. There we go, 1800. No signal. Right, I'm going to let it come back. Aircraft disconnected, return home. There we go. Okay, not ideal flying conditions, a little bit breezy, but I think we've established that with the CE, the European limitation on the transmission, we can still get up to around 1800 metres distance, which is way, way further than we should be flying anyway. Once you got more than about 1,000 metres away, admittedly the signal started getting a little bit hit and miss. So the Mavic certainly has got a better range, but this can certainly, the Mavic Air can certainly hold its own. Okay, let's get down. Come on. So there we go, very impressive little flight for the Mavic Air. I think it's more than proved itself. That's all I want to do for today. Over the weekend I'll be putting it through its paces and seeing how it handles, obviously making a few comparisons to the Mavic Pro as well. Hopefully I'll get that video up next week. Tick the subscribe and tick the little notification bell to get reminded when I next post a video up. And as ever, have fun and happy flying.